Maritime sector, lot, Internet of Things, technology can revolutionize various operations. It can enhance vessel tracking and navigation systems, providing real-time data on locations, weather conditions, and potential hazard for improved safety load. Safety load sensor can monitor cargo conditions, ensuring proper handling and storage, reducing spoilage and maintenance schedules for ships and equipment can be optimized through load and enable and predictive analytics and minimizing downtime and cost additionally, LAT can facilitate remote monitoring of fuel consumption and emissions, aiding environmental sustainability efforts overall in the maritime sector, and enhance efficiency, safety, and environmental stewardship. And lot also revolutionize maintenance practice in the maritime industry and the developing sensor.